what are we looking at right here?
1926 ZR1.
Wow, that's a hell of a 1926.
Yeah, that's a hell of a 1926.
Start all over again. That's the reason why I was asking you what questions you asked.
I don't think you meant that you would get it off by a century.
Right?
It is number 292.
Number 292. So I am with Stephen Gaskins, the owner of this beautiful ZR1. So what do you guys think now that you see it with the doors? What's your kind of overall feeling of it?
Oh, it stepped its game up a lot.
No, for sure.
I feel like it should have been that way from the very beginning.
As far as getting in and out, like the operation of the door, it's pretty simple, easy. I mean, obviously it's really cold. It was, what was it, like I think 26 degrees yesterday when we were doing the install on it. Obviously we were heating the inside here, but it still only ever hit 50s.
We never got higher than 58 in.
Yeah, so I mean it was a cold install, and obviously like any other gas shock, colder it is, the less it wants to operate, but it's still pretty easy to.
It's definitely easy to operate.
We don't regret it any at all.
No?
Nope.
Would you recommend Eikon?
I definitely would recommend it. Mm-hmm.
You heard it from him, not me.
Yep.
I might have influenced a little bit, but
That'd be a bias.
yeah, my opinion is always biased. Well, like when customers always call, that's the thing. It's like, how do I talk about it and not sound, biased? Because they're asking questions like, well, what's your kit compared to the competitors? It's like, well, I'd rather just have you call customer, and talk to them, ask those questions. Technical questions, obviously, yeah, I can help and I can answer and I can talk to you all day long about, but and engineering aspects of things, but overall opinions on would you do it or should you do it, like that. Anything I say, well, yeah, of course, I'm going to say yeah, but it's going to be biased, so.
Well, everything that I could research on YouTube and looking around, I mean, you were by far out of their league. It sets the car, it makes the car complete, in my opinion.
And it looks like it came from the factory. That's right.
Appreciate that. I mean, that's kind of the objective behind the V2. Even the V1 was to design something that looks aesthetically pleasing, like it belongs on the car, that it could have came that way from the factory. You shouldn't have ugly contrasting bolts and, things sticking out, popping out. The attention that when that door's up in the air gets, especially because everyone's like, oh, well, how did you, and they look, at like the mechanism and inside that area, it should look good. Like that looks good, in my opinion.
Pretty quick install, actually. I mean, it only took 6 hours.
You were in my way most of the time. Like when we were buttoning it up, you put the wheel back on, because I struggled, but made mistakes along the way on the driver's side, putting the wheel well back in, because we removed the wheel well on this thing, and that was kind of a first for me. It was definitely a first for me on wide body. I've removed all of that stuff tons of times before, but it was a good learning experience. But like that first side took 40 minutes, and then the second side I was
before
done
I could get the tire on.
Before you got the tire bolted on. So I mean, it was quick.
First time I've ever had to wrap the rotor to put a tire on though. With these
Right.
carbon fiber wheels, they're very unique.
Yeah, they get their own little padded blanket.
This
What
is
are we
a
looking at?
2023 Ford Raptor Type R. I sent it to Hennessy in Texas. They removed the stock supercharger off of it and put a Whipple kit on it. I did some hideaway steps. I did 3 inches of lift, custom rims, tires, and some Hennessy badging. You can see on the front and the sides. But it took the horsepower from 720 up to 1,074.
That is a lot of power in a truck.
Yeah, better be going straight when you hit this.
I would imagine. Have you ever driven the TRX?
I have not.
I haven't either, but I've heard that thing's a beast too. But I would imagine this is twice that.
Yeah, this would eat a TR.
Oh, for
TRX, for sure.
So how much was that Hennessy? You don't mind me asking, how much was that hole to have that done?
I believe it was right at 55,000.
Wow.
That was including getting it there and back too.
Yeah. How long did they have it?
They had it about 4 weeks, and about a week and some change of that was transit time.
Wow. So I mean, they didn't mess around when they got it. They quickly.
No, and they sent me pictures of the entire install every day
Really?
as they were working on it.
Wow.
And they sent me back all the stock parts
Wow.
off of it.
Well, there's definitely all your chrome that you love. For sure. But they don't have the chrome headers. See, I like the white interior, but that's just me. Whew, that's close. Harley Davidson. Wow, I like that. The brown and black. It's definitely Harley.
Yep, mini bike I had when I was 7, 8 years old.
Really? That's nostalgia right there. Oh shit, I didn't even see it up there. Oh wow. Just 10 years sitting in the woods. That's crazy. This is the type of tractor that you always see like museums and pilgrimage type stuff. Crazy to see one working. See, that is now, is that how it came with the top low? Or is that chopped?
This is actually a kit.
Okay.
So it came chopped. It's got 350 in it as well.
It reminds me of the movie about Bonnie and Clyde.
Yep.
So it reminds me of 67 Mustang.
A 428 Cobra Jet in it.
Wow.
I'm having
Such tiny little exhaust pipes.
they're not even hooked up to anything on this one.
Got it. Just that smell. Yeah. It's not a bad, I mean, it's like an iconic smell. It's like what you think iconic something would smell like. That's what it smells like. That probably makes no sense, but. Huh? It's a pretty car. Not a Mustang fan. I mean, but this isn't like the new Mustangs, you know, at all. So it's not the same kind of vibe as like it's like every teenager has a newer Mustang and all I want to do is sit there and rev. Wow. It smells like paint.
I'm on one, dude. You know,
Stop.
I've got 1 inch on each side, the fender wheels, so this Corvette down 26.
So this is just where you keep it, like nothing's wrong with it?
Well, I say there's nothing wrong with it. I went to put it in a show 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
It was sitting before I bought that. I kept this in for that one. And I went in, got in, it cranked right up. I had the door, luckily I had the door. And it's just 4-speed. And I went to put it in reverse and it was grinding the gears, it wouldn't go in reverse.
Uh-huh.
What the fuck? So I cut it off, worked it, everything worked fine. Cranked it up again, still the same thing, grinding wouldn't go in gears. So then I got the bright idea, well, I'll just put it in reverse and crank the thing. She fired on the first freaking spark.
Really?
Shot right out the back of that fucking garage. The clutch is locked up in it.
Oh, shit.
This has got the LT1 on it, pulling 370 horsepower.
Oh, I have a buddy of mine in school, in high school, had a C3. And that's the only time I've ever been in one. I just remember they're bouncier.
Yeah.
They're not like what you would think a sports car is, feeling the road, hugging the road. They were definitely more sway, more.
Other than my 26 now, my 65 is the best drive.
Is it? Third owner.
I'm a third owner guy.
I like that back window. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Let there be light. All the pulls and
This one's got 350, 360, 327, 365.
how much horsepower?
365.
Wow. Oh, it's stamped right on there.
This is all stock.
Is it really? And this is a 65,
65.
365 horsepower, 1965. That was,
It's a unique car.
Yeah.
Most of them didn't have that much.
No, that's a lot. And is this, I would imagine, the same kind of boaty feeling?
No, this is the one I'm telling you. It's the best driving car I've got.
Really? It's beautiful. As these final shots roll, it's hard not to stop and appreciate exactly what we're looking at here. This isn't just another Corvette, it's a ZR1, one of the most extreme, most purpose-built machines Chevrolet has ever produced. Every line, every vent, every surface on this car exists for a reason. It's aggressive, it's unapologetic, and it's engineered to perform at the highest level. From the moment this car rolled in, you could feel it, the presence, the history, the responsibility that comes with working on something this special. Installing our V2 series vertical door system on a ZR1 isn't something we take lightly. When you're dealing with a car at this level, there's zero room for shortcuts. Everything has to be right. The fitment, the geometry, the operation, the final feel. Watching the doors rise for the first time, seeing them move effortlessly, smoothly, and confidently, it never gets old, especially on a car like this. The V2 series was engineered for vehicles that demand the best. Precision machined components, refined motion, and a design that complements the car rather than competes with it. Steven, thank you for giving us the opportunity to work on this ZR1. Thank you for trusting us with a vehicle that means so much, not only to you, but to the Corvette community. Every install tells a story, and this one is definitely a standout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share.